Desktop tools are a collection of commonly used ActivInspire tools you may find useful when working in other applications. To access desktop tools, use the icon on your main toolbox, or go to Tools, Desktop Tools. When using desktop tools, ActivInspire is minimized and the floating toolbox appears. You may move it by dragging the icon anywhere on your desktop. Note that it remains showing over other applications. Click the icon to expand the desktop tools. In this instance, maybe we would like to access more tools and use the dice roller to help us randomly select a group to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. The group could then pull information they need from, say, a PDF or a website using one of the camera tools. Next, students could even record themselves and their process using the sound recorder under More Tools, or either of the screen recorder options. Or maybe they would like to use the calculator tool to complete the conversion. These are only some of the options available within the desktop tools. To return to the flip chart at any time, just click Return to Flipcharts.